Hello, it's Chris again with Ecotech Outdoor Lighting. I hope you enjoyed the first video about what to expect during our design consultation. Today I want to talk you through what happens once we get to the installation phase of the project. I'll also answer some of the more commonly asked questions to give you a clearer picture of what to expect. Here we go. First off, how long does an install take? Well, it really depends on your property and the scope of your project. Every home's different. The good news, we keep it efficient, and when we meet for the consultation, I'll map out a timeline that's tailored just for you. Now, I know a lot of folks worry about their landscaping, and we totally get that. Here's the good part. Our systems are low voltage, so we don't need to dig big trenches. We use a flat shovel to gently split the ground, sliding the wire down 6 inches with almost no disruption to your grass. Plus, we bury wires the smart way, taking the long way around flower beds or planting areas to keep everything safe and intact. It's all about clean, hidden lines that last and stand against the test of time in the Florida environment. That low voltage setup has some big perks. It's safer for kids and pets, it's super cost effective compared to the alternative, and it makes the whole install smooth and seamless. So how does it all come together? Every lighting area ties into a transformer that we will provide. It just plugs into an outdoor outlet at your home. Don't know if you got an available one? No stress, we'll figure it out together during the consultation and whether we need to add one. Inside that transformer is a digital timer we set up for you. It's astronomical, so it auto-adjusts for daylight savings and daily shifts. No fiddling is required. It's pretty much hands-free. Depending on the features that you want, we've also got Wi-Fi options for even more control. Outages still won't mess with your settings, and it helps your system to remain maintenance-free. And that's our goal. Our goal is to give you a maintenance-free system you can enjoy every night without lifting a finger. That's it for now. Keep an eye on your email for tomorrow's video number 3, where I'll break down pricing and show you what's right for you.